Morning, everybody. Right now I'm heading to a place called Miyajima or Miyajima. I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced. It's a small island off the coast of Hiroshima here. So I'm gonna go check it out. There's some shrines and some, I think, a temple and some other stuff to see. Just got off the streetcar here at Miyajima ferry port. I'm gonna catch the ferry. The streetcar took about an hour from downtown Hiroshima, and yeah, see if we can find where to buy a ferry ticket now. The ferry ride's only 10 minutes, and it's 180 yen, I think, one way. So. I made it to Miyajima Island. It was an easy ferry ride, 10 minutes from the mainland. There's the mainland right over there, and Hiroshima is up that way somewhere. There's one of the ferries. There are two ferry companies operating this route. One is JR, and one is, I don't know, some other company. I took the JR ferry. It was 360 yen round trip or 180 yen one way. Same price for the other company. So if you have the JR rail pass, you can it's included in the fare. So let's go explore. I think I'm gonna go check out that gate. That's one of the more famous sites on the island here. There's also a hike up to one of these peaks. So I got a late start. I think it's around 1:30. Not sure if I'll have time to do the hike or not. There is a cable car up there, so I might take that, or maybe I'll just see if I can hike fast. So yeah, let's explore. This place is pretty crowded, lots of people. There are deer wandering around like in Nara. It's a really touristy island. Lots of little shops. You can buy street food, snacks, souvenirs. Really beautiful though. It's bigger than I thought. I guess on the map it looks decent sized. I don't know. There's the mainland right over there. Check out this shrine. just walked through the shrine. Really great views. I'd say this is one of my favorite spots I've been in Japan. It's a really beautiful island. It's a little bit crowded with tourists, but you know, it's what you can expect for summertime. There's the Miyajima Fire Department. Those little fire trucks. Actually guys, now I'm headed toward a hiking trail. There's also a ropeway up there, so not sure which I'm gonna take, or if I'll even do it at all. I'm gonna go check it out. I read it's like a 2-hour hike, and I'm not really up for that. I got kind of a late start, so I'll see how I feel once I get there. There's a deer right there, buddy. And so let's head up that way and see what it looks like. It's another hot day. I'm not really prepared for a hike. I've got like a tiny amount of water, like half a liter. So we'll see. Really beautiful trail. It's very green. Beautiful. Like a kind of a rainforest feel almost, like a tropical rainforest. So it says it's a 2.5 kilometer hike up this mountain. I might just do it. I'm at the trailhead right now, I think. Nice stream here. It's really scenic, so I want to do this hike. It looks pretty spectacular, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. And if I feel too tired, then I'll just go ahead and take the ropeway down. That sign back there said the hike takes about 90 minutes, so I think I can just power through it. I might put my headphones in, listen to a podcast, try to finish it in a little less time. It's about 2:20 right now, so I think I can get back to the ferry terminal by around, I don't know, 5 or so. Get back to my hotel, 6:37, grab some dinner, go to bed. I'm gonna be dead tired after this. Alright you guys, this trail is really kicking my butt. I came underprepared. There's so much water I've got left. Whew, just under a kilometer to go though, so I'll make it. A hell of a hike, you guys. The view up here is pretty spectacular, but yeah, I screwed up. I ran out of water on the hike. I made it, but it was just extremely uncomfortable. So I got up to the top, bought myself a drink. Now I'm gonna head back down. I don't know what I was thinking leaving with that little amount of water in this heat. It's just stupid, really. But yeah, I had a like a sports drink at the top. Now I'm feeling re-energized, and I'm hiking down the same trail. So yeah, I should be down less than an hour probably. Yeah, that was a great hike though. I recommend it. Just be better prepared than I was. That was just dumb. I'm like a reasonably experienced hiker. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I made it. It's a really well maintained trail. Up at the top there's a nice area where you can rest and check out the view. 360-degree panoramic view of Hiroshima and the surrounding area. There's a bathroom and a vending machine where you can buy drinks. And there's a couple shrines up there as well. I really had to dig deep to haul my body up this trail, man. I was channeling my inner David Goggins there. At the end, I was not going to give up and turn around, but yeah, I was almost feeling dizzy. I was getting lightheaded. I'm just sweating so much, and got a little scared there for a minute. Thought I didn't think I was going to pass out. I was just moving so slowly. I was never in any danger. There were people passing by like every 5 or 10 minutes, and I could have asked for water if I had to. So yeah, I wasn't really scared, but just kind of annoyed at myself more than anything else. Oh, that was a big step. I think I've got about 1 kilometer to go, something like that. Once I get back down to the bottom, I'm going to check out that 5-story pagoda. That's the last major site I haven't seen. And then I'm going to head back to the ferry and call it a day. Head back to Hiroshima. Try to get back in time to get a shower, some dinner. Sometimes it's nice to push yourself to show that you're still capable of certain things. You know, like as I age, sometimes I think about how I won't be able to travel the same way anymore. Won't be able to maintain the same pace. I won't be able to take the long bus rides or do the long hikes. Not that this was a particularly long hike, but it's nice to challenge yourself once in a while, just to show yourself that you can still do those things. I turned 30 this year, which wasn't a super big deal to me, but still something to think about once in a while. Will I still be able to do this kind of traveling in 10 years? Probably. In 20 years, maybe. In 30 years. If I focus on my health, probably. But you never know. So it's nice to challenge yourself. Just to prove it to yourself. What that thing is. Got about 8/10 of a kilometer left, maybe 7/10. Getting close. The descent is going really fast, like running, trail running part of the way. I'm basically back at the bottom. This is such a beautiful spot, you guys. I think if you have time, it's best to spend 2 nights in Hiroshima. A lot of people will come just for a day trip from Kyoto or Osaka. And I think in that time you could see the Peace Memorial Park, but you probably wouldn't have enough time to come here. You couldn't do the hike. You couldn't get to see much of the city in that half day. So I would say spending at least one night, better yet 2 nights, is ideal. I'm spending 3 nights here, and it's a big city. There's a lot of stuff to do. You could spend longer. You could spend a week here if you wanted, and there's still be stuff to do, but that's probably not necessary for most people. I think 2 or 3 nights is ideal. Another one of our friends. Hey, buddy. My shirt is literally drenched in sweat right now, you guys. I bet I could wring it out. There's a drinks machine. That's exactly what I need. Had a perfect day, guys. When I woke up this morning, I was really dreading coming here. I just was not in the mood for taking a bunch of transport, going hiking, going through all that. But yeah, once I got here, I kind of understood why this place is so popular. It's just really beautiful. It's touristy, but it's a nice island, and it's a great day trip from Hiroshima. I know these vlogs are a bit awkward, guys. I'm just not comfortable talking on the camera in front of people. I'm working on it. I've gotten better, but still a work in progress. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe. I've got more coming. Heading back to Tokyo tomorrow night, then on to my next destination. Almost back to the ferry terminal. I'm going to take the ferry to the mainland, 10-minute ferry ride. Then I'm going to catch the streetcar back to central Hiroshima. Should take about an hour. I think I'll be back in my hotel about an hour and a half, something like that.